Hi, it's another day of Typical Girl SSRZ, whatever one. Okay, I'm gonna do this video on this little toy. It's actually TH for two Pyros. This one, it actually says on the back right here, it says this is Sky. I never seen that YouTuber before, but got me some scissors and I'm gonna see what it is. I'm gonna cut this in. It's not as thick. This is a really thick plastic. And let's see. Okay. It comes with this. There's two people. I'm kind of taking too long, but I'm just trying to get everything out fast. Okay, well, there's this person right here. Must be one of his little characters from Minecraft or something. And I have the golden one. What, like, they can actually hold the things, like he could hold a flag or whatever it is. I think she has glasses on. Some little sunglasses. And a little sign. There's a shield. Do a little shield. Like this. You showed them. And like gives him a shield. I meant a sword. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Okay, and pretty cool. Okay, and I have him. I don't see what's the point of the flag. Ah, his arm came off. It's made to come off. Then you can have a bow and arrow. You could be holding it. It's pretty cute. And just literally all I got. It's cute. And, okay, well, I just came to show you these two little cute characters, and actually, these body parts actually come off. Like, their legs come off, too. Yeah, the legs are hard to take off. Someone put his arm back on. Okay, well, bye. Subscribe down below, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, bye.